What up, y'all? This is Cooking 101 with your boy, Chef Master Flex. So first off, we're gonna set it to low heat. And I got this new wok I bought today. I don't really do woks, but I walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I
talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo.
Something like that. So first off, I cut up some shallots, some yellow onions, and some ginger, garlic. Now Filipinos love garlic. Now first we're gonna put the shallot. Shallot is like a strong onion, like that. Just throw everything on there. You know what I'm saying? It's dangerous, man. It's slipping. Like that. Add the garlic. You want to let it simmer up a bit. That's how you know your fire's too low. And you're going to turn up the fire. Like so. And you're going to cook it up. Always use wood. This one is bamboo, I think. I seen this on some chef show documentary. Ooh, you see that? Always be careful. You see how it's just sliding? That is death. Imminent death. Shoot, it's really like sliding. So you want to always have one hand. You want it just a little bit brown. Now let's stop. We're gonna put now this pork from your regular store, and you just okay. All right, now that it's golden brown like that, you know. Browned it. So basically the pork is ready to eat. Basically. Now we are just about to put some ingredients down. Soy sauce. We're gonna put some red wine vinegar with the mother. This gonna make it pop. At this point, you want to add all your like broccoli, long time to cook. Throw that in there. Throw that in there. I got carrots here just to garnish, and some jalapeno ash. And you want to stir it. Stir it up. Stir it up. But that's all we did, you know. It's a little bit of everything. Goes a long way. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you stir fry.